Hi, Mercedes.
How can I help?
I would love to have a massage.
I'm switching on the massage for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No, Mercedes-Benz razreda S je seveda avtocestna ladja, avtocestno letalo. Ampak naj vam povem, da nova generacija tega modela ponuja tudi električno vožnjo. In to kar v 100 km dosega. To je bistveno več, kot ponujajo današnji priključeni hibridi. Ampak električna vožnja je v bistvu še najmanj zanimiva novost, ki jo prinaša ta novi razred S. Avto je poln novih tehnologij in te tehnologije razvija v testnem centru v Imedingnu, kamor smo namenjeni. No in omejitev je konec. Predlagam, da se udobno namestite, kajti začenja se letenje. V tem videu bi seveda res lahko govorili o usnju, lesu in drugem luksuzu, pa tudi o novi ureditvi kabine in ekstra centimetrih za gospodo v foteljih zadaj. Ampak novi S je še bolj kot kdajkoli prej demonstracija, kako naj bi bilo v avtonomni prihodnosti. Ja, vstopamo v dobo, ko odgovornosti za vožnjo ne bo več nosil voznik, ampak Mercedes-Benz. Torej, spustimo roke z volana, spustimo stopalke, naj nas pelje avto. Samostojno, avtonomno. In zdaj, glavna novost novega razreda S. Vožnja, pri kateri lahko brez slabe vesti gledam v tole kamero, gledam okrog, se pogovarjam s mojimi sopotniki in v resnici lahko pogledam celo tudi kakšnega od naših videov. Govorimo namreč o 3. stopnji avtonomne vožnje. Da bo jasno, seveda je ta vožnja bila legalna, saj smo vozili po ovalnem poligonu. Takšna vožnja po cesti pa bo legalna, ko bo Mercedes-Benz zbral vsa dovoljenja in vse potrebne podatke za njihovo pridobitev, kar naj bi se zgodilo konec leta 2021. Ampak poglejmo, katero tehnologijo potrebuje avto, da lahko ponudi takšno avtonomno vožnjo.
This is a special level 3 car. We have special sensors on it. For example, we can start with the rear multi-purpose camera. The rear multi-purpose camera detects the traffic that is in the rear of the vehicle to detect, for example, blue light of an emergency vehicle or something like that. We have a high precise positioning sensor which is under the bubble in the roof here. This has an accuracy of 3 centimeters. We have a very special sensor behind the wheel. It's a wetness sensor. The wetness sensor not only detects the rain which will appear from the sky, there's also, when there's a wet surface on the road, the tire will collect the raindrops and put it on the wetness sensor, and due to the sound of the sensor we can say, okay, how wet is this? We can make a calculation.
So if too wet is too loud?
Not only, but yes, that's the easy way to explain it. Yes. And we have a LiDAR sensor in front below the normal radar. The LiDAR is an optical sensor which sends a laser out and can not only detect objects, also lanes. For example, lanes have some glass in it that reflects light.
So you could drive autonomously with other sensors?
If there is one sensor missing or getting damaged, we will try to give the responsibility to you again. But because you have 10 seconds time, we need 2 sensors left that they can handle the situations, or all situations which can appear within those 10 seconds. And that's the main thing behind, we think 3 sensors are good, because if one is missing, 2 are left.
Z drugimi besedami, za 3. stopnjo avtonomne vožnje je nujen backup, varnostni nabor senzorjev. What about the infrastructure? Do you need a special highway for this?
We don't need anything on the highway. As you can see here, there is nothing around. We have normal lanes. So currently it's built for a highway situation where you have a traffic jam. It's not that we say to the infrastructure, let's do special lanes on the highway. No, they are normal highways, and then we make the certification and the process internally that this highway is allowed, and then every car that has level 3 offered can switch level 3 on this highway.
So you have already previously tested that highway?
Some of them, yes. Some of them we will test. This is also a reason why it's in the second half of next year. And we want to be sure that these highways are accurate enough and so on. And then we will release a specific highway set of many kilometers. And then everyone who has level 3 can drive level 3 there.
Izkusili smo avtonomno vožnjo 3. stopnje, pa dajmo še 4. Za 4. stopnjo pa ni značilno samo, da voznika avtomobila ne vozi, ampak voznika v avtu sploh ni. Torej, izstopimo. Nahajamo se v garažni hiši Študgartskega letališča. Gre za garažo, ki je v resnici kar zahtevna za parkiranje. Namreč, če drugega ne, to dokazujejo črte na stenah in pa na teh robnikih. Včeraj, ki sem tukaj parkiral z velikim Mercedesovim SUV GLE Coupé, da moram kar večkrat manevrirati. In to garažno hišo je Mercedes-Benz izbral za kar drzen poskus. Namreč, celoten postopek parkiranja je zaupal, da to opravi kar sam avtomobil. Ampak poglejmo si to tehnologijo iz prve roke.
Stereo cameras check the pathway of the vehicle for obstacles, and they give the vehicle like virtual marks to the vehicle and ask the vehicle to follow these marks on the ground. They are of course not visible or anything, just a handover in electronic form.
I'm very surprised that the car doesn't use these sensors that are already installed in the car.
Figure a situation like that one over there. There's 2 ramps, one going up, one going down. No sensor in the vehicle can look around that corner to check whether the vehicle coming from the backside or not. The vehicles and the sensor are very important for all driving on public roads, but in a parking garage, the infrastructure sensors will provide the information that the vehicle cannot generate itself.
The other cars will horn because the car is very slow?
It is slow, but here again we come from the conservative side. Better we learn and get faster than learn and never drive again. So that's why we come at walking pace, we start. There's a legal maximum speed of 10 kph that we mustn't exceed. And we're always faster than anybody going up the ramp himself. We never do any scratches to the wall, others do. And they get back and they do many turns, and that's where we get faster than they all.
I can't believe that.
You learned yourself. I hit the button, vehicle starts indicating, puts in reverse, and off it goes. This is automated driving. I am allowed to leave the space now. Mercedes-Benz is taking over the responsibility for the vehicle now. So that's me to leave for Mallorca.
Polet na Majorko brez parkiranja avtomobila v lastni režiji je funkcija, ki jo bodo deležni tudi današnji kupci. Namreč, kar smo videli na lastne oči, je povsem serijski Mercedes razreda S. Zakaj torej pri tem načinu parkiranja govorimo o prihodnosti?
It's like a disclaimer. We are allowed to sell the S-Class with the appropriate technology. Only the customer is not allowed to use it. And of course, we as Mercedes-Benz take care that he does not use it. But one day, that legislation will allow the use of the Intelligent Park Pilot. We turn the switch and the customer will be able to use the Intelligent Park Pilot in garages.
Uporabljena tehnologija bo na voljo vsem avtomobilom, ki bodo zmogli samodejno v vsakem trenutku ustaviti, ne da bi zato moral kdo fizično pritisniti na stopalko zavore. Preizkusni samovozeči Mercedes pa bi se lahko s to zahtevno študgartsko garažo spopadel bistveno enostavneje, če bi uporabil tudi tehnologijo, ki jo sicer ponuja razred S, namreč 4-kolesno krmiljenje. Tehnologija ni nova, poznamo jo že iz velikih Renaultov, iz največjega Audija, iz največjih Porschejev. Ampak kar 2 metra prihrani tak veliki Mercedes pri obračalnem krogu. Za 2 metra zoža obračalni krog, a ker tega ne bodo ponujali vsi avtomobili, tudi samovozeči avto tega ni uporabljal. Notranjost novega razreda S je povsem digitalna, prav revolucionarno digitalna. Ne samo, da ponuja seveda glasovno upravljanje, Ponuja tudi prepoznavo prstnega odtisa, se pravi, prijavimo se v ta avtomobil s prstnim odtisom. Ampak v intervjuju je stopala ena funkcija, ki se zdi kot znanstvena fantastika. In včasih smo za takšne funkcije rekli, to je Amerika. No, ta funkcija je v bistvu kitajska. So, you can pay with this fingerprint. What can you pay?
Well, in some countries you can pay third-party content when you do food ordering or something like this. And also parking lot payment. It's not available in all countries yet, I hope. We get this everywhere sometime. It's a very secure technology. It's not super new, but it's not old school yet. With blockchain, I think it has to develop in the next years that it's also for a wide range of customers. Also with, I mean, they have to accept it, and not just because we say, yeah, let's do it. It's the best.
So we are not there yet.
We are not there yet.
Ampak tisto, kar je morda še bolj zanimivo, pa je prepoznava obraza. Plošča z merilniki tukaj spredaj pred voznikom ima tukaj zgoraj vgrajeno tudi stereo kamero in ta prepoznava voznikov obraz. Ta funkcija ima pa direktni vpliv na samo varnost. Microsleep. This is already working.
It's especially for our level 3. I mean, could be that it was so boring for you because you don't have anything to do anymore that you sleep. And so we detect if you still have a look or you still look awake. It is one important part to have level 3, yes.
In seveda je vedno veljalo, da so nove tehnologije uvajali najdražji avtomobili. Ampak pri novem razredu S se ta skok zdi še posebej velik in pomenljiv. Kajti novi S ni prototip. Ni izdelek kakega startupa ali pa velikobesednega kalifornijskega mogotca, ki ga smrtne žrtve ne ustavljajo. To tehnologijo prinaša serijski avto, ki so ga naredili silno konservativni in previdni Nemci, ki naj bi za svoje delo dobili evropska dovoljenja za samovozečo vožnjo. Objektivno gledano to vliva zaupanje. A imate prav, zdaj vemo, kaj bomo lahko uporabljali. Kmalu. Ampak nismo še tam. Je pa že tukaj avtonomna vožnja druge stopnje, pri kateri vozimo mi, a avto že zna samodejno prilagoditi hitrosti ovinkom, krožiščem, prometnim omejitvam in podobnim situacijam. Nazadnje smo to preizkusili tudi v novem GLB-ju. In zanimivo morda tudi pogled nazaj, ko je posebej opremljeni razred S samodejno odpeljal traso Berthe Benz. Poglejte, ampak še prej preverite, če ste že naročeni na naš kanal. Sicer pa gumb naroči in zvonček poleg njega.